So in this question, there is a keyword diameter AB. Okay, AB is a diameter, so we have a 90 degrees. Just write down the 90 degrees first. Okay, so angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle. And then you just mark it on the diagram. And we have two pairs of equal size. Okay, PA equals PQ and BP equals BQ. And the question asks to find angle PAB. That is this angle. 好啦，嗱呢度咧，呢題咧就冇俾到任何數字嚟嘅 ，OK， 冇俾到任何數字嚟嘅。咁嘅時候咧，即係你最多咧都係只可以揾到你90個喺度啫，係嘛？咁我哋要揾呢個角嘅話，我哋應該點樣？即係從何入手咧？咁樣樣。咁你記住咧，如果我哋冇任何數字嘅話咧，我哋好大機會咧，我哋就要自己 let 一啲 x 出嚟咁樣去做嘅 ，OK？ 咁最直接 let 乜嘢做 x 咧？就係佢叫你求嗰樣嘢，你就 let 嗰樣嘢做 x 啦，咁就最直接㗎啦，係嘛 ？OK？ 咁我哋呢度咧試下睇下 O 唔 OK 先喎。我哋 let 呢一隻 angle PAB be x。This is x。OK， 好啦，跟住咧，我哋通常 let 一個先，即係 let 一樣嘢出嚟先，唔好 let 晒咁多嘢出嚟。呢度咧有兩個 equal size 嘅，咁咧你凡親見到喺啲圖形題裏邊咧，見到兩條邊相等嘅話咧，我哋睇一睇佢可唔可以 form 到一個 isosceles triangle 出嚟先。如果得嘅話咧，我就有啲 base angles isosceles triangle 係嘛 ？Okay， in this case, PA is equal to PQ. And triangle PAQ will be an isosceles triangle. So we have the base angles of the isosceles triangle being equal. So it's like this because PA equals PQ. Therefore, we can say that angle PAQ is equal to angle PQA. This is base angles isosceles triangle. Okay, and they are both equal to x. So now we have found that this one is also equal to x. Okay, and then we have the second pair of equal size. BP is equal to BQ, and these two equal sides can also form an isosceles triangle. Okay, so we can make use of this isosceles triangle because BP is equal to BQ. Therefore, we can say that angle BPQ is equal to angle BQP. And this is base angles isosceles triangle again. And they are both equal to x again. Can you see this? So this one is also equal to x. And then for the next step, we are ready to find the answer. Can you see this? 嗱，好似未講過呢樣嘢嘅，就係咧呢種咁嘅題，即係圖形題裏邊咧，我哋好多時咧會將啲資料咧 gather 到一個三角形 ，OK， 一個三角形裏邊，跟住就用 angle sum of triangle 去列式啦，或者有陣時咧會將所有嘅資料咧 gather 到一條直線上邊，咁就會用 adjacent angles on straight line 去列式咁樣樣。OK， 而且嚟睇，呢個咧見到 triangle PAQ，triangle PAQ， 所有角嘅資料咧都已經有齊㗎啦，係嘛？所以我哋係咪 ready 咧去到用 angle sum of triangle 咧，去將佢哋擺出嚟，然之後寫條式出嚟。咁嗰條式咧係 involve 到呢個 x 喺裏邊嘅，咁我哋就可以計到 x 出嚟㗎啦。OK， 即係個解題嘅方向就係咁樣啦。So it will be like this: x plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is angle sum of triangle. And then we have 3x equals 90 degrees. So x should be 30 degrees. Okay? Which means that the required angle PAB, is equal to 30 degrees. That is the answer. Can you get this? 得唔得？睇唔睇到？想放有冇台需要放大啲？ 放大啲。It's okay. And then next one, 22. And 22, in the figure, angle ABC is 50 degrees. Angle BDA is 40 degrees. Question asks you whether BC is a diameter of the circle ABCD. Okay, this time, the question did not tell you whether it is a diameter or not. It's asking you whether it is a diameter. Okay, so we need to check one angle and see whether it is equal to 90 degrees or not. Okay, if I want to check BC is a diameter or not, then we need to check angle BAC whether it is equal to 90 degrees or not. If this angle is 90 degrees, we say yes, BC is a diameter. If it is not 90 degrees, we say no. Okay, so but what we have now is a 40 degrees here. Okay, 40 degrees is an angle at circumference, which is looking at, so this 40 degrees is looking at this arc AB. You see this arc AB? And then there's another angle. There is another angle at circumference, also looking at the same arc, which is angle ACD. Okay, so these two angles will be equal to each other. So angle ACD is equal to angle, AC void is equal to angle A dot void. Angles in the same segment. And they are both equal to 40 degrees. Okay. And now we can calculate angle BAC, our target angle, okay, to see whether it is 90 degrees or not. So angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 40 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. So it is really equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, we can conclude that BC is really a diameter. Okay. Therefore, BC is a diameter. But this time, remember to write down a reason. Okay, the reason is converse of angle in semicircle. Okay, so when we write down the result, we need to write down the reason here. 得唔得？嗱，呢個咧比較少用嘅，即係通常啲題目咧，喺書本裏邊嘅題目咧會比較少用嘅。但係咧，我想講啊，即係要去 verify 一條線係咪直徑呢樣嘢咧，喺一啲即係勁難嘅題目裏邊咧，有陣時會係好關鍵嘅。有陣時咧，即係佢會問你呢條係咪直徑嚟嘅，但係你有陣時要自己 realize 到某隻角係90度，所以佢係直徑先至會可以計到落去嘅。OK， 嗱，呢個咧即係唔好忘記咗呢個 reason 喎。OK。23. So in the figure, AEC is a diameter of the circle, DEB is a straight line, ADB is 60 degrees, DBA is 50 degrees. Find X. Again, X is not an angle at circumference, and it is also not an angle at center. Okay, because point E is not the center. Okay, So we cannot use the reasons about circle to find x directly. Okay, so what can we do here? There is a diameter. AEC is a diameter, so we can actually find out the 90 degrees first. If AEC is a diameter, so angle ABC, A boy C, should be equal to 90 degrees. Can you see this? So let us write this down first. Angle A boy C should be 90 degrees. It's angle in semicircle. Okay. So if this one is 90 degrees, we have one part of this 90 degrees to be 50 degrees. Then we can calculate the remaining part. Angle C boy dot. Angle C boy dot is equal to 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. And that should be equal to 40 degrees. Okay. So this one is 40 degrees.好嗱，跟住咧，我哋又用翻我哋呢一課學過嘅嘢啦。即係我哋諗唔到嘅時候咧，我就諗下你角咧望緊邊一個額，然之後咧仲有冇第啲角咧係同佢望住同一個額嘅咁樣樣。So this 40 degrees. 40 degrees is looking at the arc DC. You can see this. 40 degrees is looking at this arc DC. Then there is another angle at circumference, also looking at the arc DC. Can you see this? Can you see that angle dot AC? Dot AC is also looking at the same arc here. And they are, both of them are angle at circumference. So they will be equal to each other. Okay? So angle dot AC is equal to angle dot boy C. This is angles in the same segment. So both of them will be equal to 40 degrees. Okay. Now, so X, the required angle. X is an exterior angle of triangle AE dot. Now we have already found the two interior angles. Okay, 60 degrees and 40 degrees. Therefore, we can use the exterior angle of triangle to find the X. So X is equal to 60 degrees plus 40 degrees. Exterior angle of triangle. So the answer will be 100 degrees. Is that okay? '24. So AC is a diameter. Angle CAP is 30 degrees. And then we have 35 degrees. Part A. Question asks you whether AC and BD are perpendicular to each other or not. Explain your answer. Okay. And AC and BD, I want to check whether they are perpendicular to each other. So I need to check one angle whether it is 90 degrees or not. Okay. So that should be this angle. Can you get this? Okay, and if this is 90 degrees, then they will be perpendicular to each other. If it is not, then it's not. Okay. So let me see. We have a diameter. So let us find the 90 degrees first. Okay. AC is a diameter, which means that angle A dot C will be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle in semicircle. So this one is 90 degrees. Okay, and then we can find this angle. This angle AC dot. Angle AC dot will be equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. This is angle sum of triangle. So it should be equal to 60 degrees. Okay. And then, well, actually, we don't need to find this. We can find this one first. Angle dot point C. Can you see that this 30 degrees is looking at this arc CD, and there is another angle at circumference, angle dot point C. Dot point C is also looking at this arc. Okay, so angle dot point C should also be equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so angle dot point C is equal to angle dot AC. Angles in the same segment, and they are both equal to 30 degrees. So this one is 30 degrees. And I'm just thinking how I can use the 35 degrees. Okay, so this is 30 degrees, and then this is 35 degrees. So we can find that this angle A dot point. And you see that A dot point is the exterior angle of triangle P point dot. Okay, that is this one. Sorry. This angle is 30 degrees plus 35 degrees. So angle A dot point is equal to 35 degrees plus 30 degrees. Exterior angle of triangle, which is equal to 65 degrees. Okay. So this one is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, and then we can actually use angle sum of triangle to calculate this angle, the target angle, to see whether it is equal to 90 degrees or not. Okay, let's give it a name. Give a name to this point. This one is point Q. Okay, angle AQD is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 65 degrees. Okay, this angle sum of triangle, and that should be equal to 55 degrees, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Sorry, just 85 degrees, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, AC and BD are not perpendicular to each other. Therefore, AC and BD are not perpendicular to each other. Okay. Wait, and 邊個啊？陳偉彤，唔係呢度啊，唔係呢度嘅，唔係呢度。Okay, part B. So find angle BDC. Actually, in part A, we have already found so many angles here. Okay, so we can find angle BDC directly. Angle BDC is equal to 90 degrees minus 65 degrees. So that should be 25 degrees. Is it okay? Okay, so I will start a new section tomorrow. Okay, so stand up. Goodbye, class.